Determining if a business is high risk for the payment providers involves several different factors. Acquiring banks and payment processors need to be sure that products or services are delivered in a timely manner and that clients will remain satisfied for the foreseeable future after the money from card sales has been paid out. Why? Because cardholders have the right to dispute the charge on their credit cards and ask for their money back for up to 6 months. This is where the main risk lies and why we use the term high risk. Although there may be slightly different views on what is considered risky for a particular provider, there are certain universal guidelines. We'll go over these with you and let you know why you've been classified as a high-risk merchant by your bank or payment provider and what to expect. High risk. Even though there are a number of different reasons for why your business may be considered high risk, there are a few main ones that you should be made aware of. If your business has a history of chargebacks or can expect many returns, you will most likely be given high-risk status by your payment provider. Frequent chargebacks or returns means that you, as the merchant, are doing something wrong, which is disappointing your customer base. This is a huge red flag to any payments provider, usually resulting in a merchant account application being declined instantly. Thresholds which you need to keep in mind are 1% for chargebacks and 10% for returns. You may be also considered high risk if you have a delivery time frame or a service fulfillment too far in the future. This leaves a lot of time for something to go wrong and for your clients to ask for their money back. The payment processor will have already captured the card sales and settled the amount to your bank account. For this reason, providers do not generally like to see fulfillment periods of longer than 3 to 6 months. Operating in a certain industry or running a company with a dubious reputation in past will also cause you to be seen as a high-risk business. Other factors include poor credit, being a new business without prior card processing experience, using automated recurring billing, or processing high volumes. As you can see, there are many points which payment providers need to go through when reviewing your merchant account application. It's important to find a provider who is flexible enough to offer custom terms when accepting your business. Businesses. All payments processors and acquiring banks have a list of prohibited categories as well as high-risk ones where approval terms are much stricter. Typical high-risk business categories include travel, online gambling, adult, financial services, insurance, telemarketing, recurring memberships, ticketing, software, electronics, and several others. What to expect. So, what can you expect if you are a high-risk merchant? From a technical point of view, there aren't actually any differences between a regular merchant account and a high-risk merchant account. The only difference is that the terms of payout and pricing will be more in favor of the provider. It's most likely that your contract will come with higher rates, a higher rolling reserve, and a longer payout delay. If you are applying for a high-risk merchant account, be sure to read your contract thoroughly. Be aware of unethical high-risk payment providers around the world waiting to take advantage of your situation with hidden charges, termination fees, unreliable offshore banking solutions, and very late payouts. Merchant Scout has over 12 years of experience in delivering high-risk merchant accounts across Europe, the UK, and worldwide. If you are looking for customized solutions with the most competitive available rates, get in touch today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.